Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very easy flourless chocolate cake. For that you'll be needing 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons whipping cream, 6 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, 3 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 3 tablespoons sweetener. First we'll mix all the wet ingredients together. Then we'll mix all the dry ingredients well. Now we will add all our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients and give it a good mix. I will also put down the recipe for you if you just want to make 1 mug cake down in the description below. I have greased some cups with butter and I will be adding our mixture to this. Make sure you add the mixture only to 3/4 of the cup, otherwise it will overflow. Give the cups a good dab and then put it into the microwave for about 1 minute 10 seconds only. Hope you like this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.